So here now, we out on another trip. Oh my, we're trying to avoid the water there. See all this water. Feeling miserably at it. We're going to check out this river. Just looking. I need my net to get a closer look at some things. Because some things just difficult to see. We found a trail here and we are going to follow it. Just up right there, I'll slip through. Look at that, see? Look at that. So we reached by this spot here. And you both in the back there. Yeah, so we reach here, we're gonna relax for a bit and then head back. We didn't see much animals, it's more like plants and other things. But yeah, it is glorious. It's awesome. But not much, more like fishes and things, and them kinda hard to see with this kind of camera that I have here. Hey, if this camera was waterproof then yeah, you would see some fishes and things, but it is fun. And relax, chill out for a bit. Oi, just relaxing a bit. Are we seeing to head back? Normally these daytime vlogs so far, it doesn't have the amount of animals we just see in the night because it's day. And these things is evade us real plenty. I mean we just see them, but by the time the camera out there, they're gone. They're bolt. Yeah, I just chilling over there, looking to see what's hiding among the rocks. And then the other thing is we was trying to get a lot of sight a lot of fishes. We did, but it's to get them on camera. You had to get them with the net and then bring them in closer to the thing, but nah, too much hassle. So this was fun. This is fun. We bathed, we relaxed ourselves. We still have some more walking to do. We just gonna check out a small trail further up. Just now been you both see. Just caught these, I believe, gobies. You like me? Two of them. Awesome. Let me put them in the water. Oh, the thing sucking onto my finger. Yes. They are wonderful. Look at this color prawn. Benji boss. Oh, yeah, nice coloration. Oh. There is so much fish life in here. I don't know if you can make it out, but that a fish, that another fish, some sardines, some mountain mullets, some taters, wabbeens, water cow gobies, all kind of fish. I forget what kind of gobies this is. That, yeah. Ow! Something bite me. Ow, ow, ow. Here's an ant. Ow. I could take bite. With her, real plenty life in the river. checking out this trail here. Not sure. Don't think we'll find plenty animals on it. Oh, look, 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 look! A snake! Ugh. A snake! Very good. Ah. Aha! As I say, not sure we'll find plenty animals. Oh yeah, yeah. We got that. You have him? I think it's a baby blackhead.
Yeah.
Yes, a baby blackhead. As soon as I say, I don't think we'll find much thing.
What do they eat?
They what? What?
What do they eat?
Oh, centipedes and spiders and other arthropods. I get a picture of him. That was surprising. As soon as I say, I thought we would see. But seriously, a snake was one of the last things I was expecting to see. We did see one on this trail. Seeing a leaf anole right there. Oh, oh, look at it! It's gone. Yes, so we reached back at camp. We did see some animals, we can't say we didn't, but we did see some animals. It was an eventful trip. So, I hope you all enjoy the video. I don't know if to close it off now or wait till transport reaches. Yeah, we can still see more things, yeah? So I will close it off when transport reach. Yeah, when transport reach. The last time I was closing off and we see something. Yeah, we just gonna relax and wait till it's time to go. Another one of these. Curious. Well, we have come to the end of the vlog. We lime around for a good while, we relax ourselves, and now it's time for us to head out. So, this is the Wildlife Master. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you enjoyed this video, yes, so let's say this, I kinda new to all this YouTube thing. Yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. And comment something down below. It could be anything, just comment something down below. And until then, peace out.